Have you ever lost access to your Snapchat account and felt completely locked out? Don't panic. Today I'm going to show you the best and most effective ways to recover your Snapchat account, step by step. And trust me, you'll want to stick around till the very end because the final method is the most powerful one using professional white hat hackers. Also, before we dive in, make sure to check the video description. I've dropped the link to the best Instagram account recovery tool. And as a bonus, the first 2 people to drop a comment under this video will get a free recovery service. The first method is the traditional way, using Snapchat's official password reset feature. If you still have access to your recovery email or phone number, simply go to the login screen, tap Forgot Password, and choose either email or SMS to reset your account. Quick and simple, but this only works if your recovery details are still valid. If the first method doesn't work, you can reach out to Snapchat support directly. Head over to support.snapchat.com, select I can't access my account and follow the instructions. You'll need to provide as much detail as possible, like your username, linked email, and any devices you used before. Sometimes this can take a while, but it's worth trying. Now here's the most effective method, and the one many people overlook, using professional white hat hackers. Unlike shady black hat options, white hat hackers are ethical security experts who specialize in account recovery. They can safely and legally help you regain access to your locked Snapchat account, especially if it was hacked, disabled, or you lost your recovery details. This is the method with the highest success rate and works even when all other options fail. So those are the 3 best ways to recover your Snapchat account. Start with the official methods, but if you want guaranteed recovery, white hat hackers are your best bet. Don't forget, check the description for the best Instagram account recovery tool. And remember, the first 2 people who comment on this video will get a free recovery service. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more recovery and security tips, and share this with someone who's struggling to get their account back.